my dears, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Pamela and I put out beauty related videos on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Today's video is obviously my St. Patrick's Day eyeshadow tutorial video or whatever. I don't have any plans. I'm just gonna hang out with the girls, to be honest. I'm thinking maybe we might get one of those McDonald's Shamrock shakes. I'm sure that they're gonna love the idea of that. Today's look, I decided I wanted to use my Coastal Scents palette. I feel like I finally have this in a place where it's like, if I were to start my own makeup line tomorrow, like this is what my palette would look like. It's got everything that you possibly need to create, I mean, any look, I guess. I really wanted to play with Pinehurst today, and I also wanted to play with this dark goldenrod color here. It's such a beautiful, beautiful duochrome shade that shifts in like a gold, green, and even like a little bit of red. It's so strange, but on the lids, as you can see today, it looks very much green. So I thought that that would just be like cherry on the top for this look. So I don't have any more babbling to do, so let's just get right into it. Yes. Okay, as always, I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to use the same old, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it with a brow bone or bone colored eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go into the shade Pumpkin Pie, and I'm going to be placing this all into my crease as my transition shade. Now I'm going to go into the shade Fool's Gold, and I'm going to go on a smaller brush. This is the Coastal Scents BR250, and I'm going to be placing that just a little bit lower than where I put Pumpkin Pie. Now I'm going to go into Pinehurst, and it's basically like a beautiful forest green, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to be placing this color in the outer V and then a little bit into my crease. I'm going to switch to the Makeup Geek small crease brush because this color does apply a little bit sheer. It requires some building up, but I quite like that in very dark matte colors. So I'm just going to slowly but surely build it up to my liking here. Go back in with my super green brush now, my Coastal Scents brush, and just blend that out. For my lid, I'm going to take the shade Goldenrod, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply that. Oh, I love this color so much. I'm going to take that same brush, pick up just a tiny bit more of that forest green, and sort of blend that out. Oh, so beautiful. I'm gonna actually add some eyeliner off camera, then I'm gonna clean up, put on my face, and we'll come back for the lower lash line. Yeah. So for my lower lash line, the first thing I'm going to do is line my waterline as well as tightline with a black eyeliner. Now I'm going to go into the shade of Pinehurst, and I'm going to be packing this as close to the lash line as possible, and I'm not going to bring this color all the way in. Then I'm going to go into the shade Dark Goldenrod, and I'm going to pack this in that inner part of the eye with like a little angled brush. Then I'm going to take a little pencil brush and just pick up a little bit of Fool's Gold and sort of smoke that out. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go into Caramel Ice. It is a gorgeous color. Then of course, I'm going to go in with a ton of mascara. I've got for you guys today, so hopefully you enjoyed today's tutorial. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. Green on the eyes is like one of those things that I don't ever really do, but I always love the way that it looks. Like, green eyeshadow is just so pretty for me for some reason. If you're curious, on my lips, I've decided to do something totally different than I normally do. I am a matte lipstick kind of girl, but lately I've been trying to venture out and try some lip glosses because my lips are super dehydrated or crusty most of the time. So I picked up the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Mocha Twist, and this is really pretty, and it's not one of those like uncomfortable lip plumping like lip glosses. It's quite nice, and it looks stunning on the lips if you ask me. Let me know what you guys are doing for St. Patrick's Day. I know lots of people like to go out, you know, hit up some bars or some pubs or whatever and just have a really good time with your friends, you know, get all dressed up in green, and if you are, let me know. I'll just sit at home and envy you or something. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and spread my love for makeup, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.